Welcome to Data to Intelligence Pro, transferring data into intelligence. This channel focusing on Microsoft Fabric, AI and Azure and cost optimization. Are you giving wrong access in Fabric? Fix workspace roles in 5 minutes. Let's get in. Workspace roles let you manage who can do what in a Microsoft Fabric workspace. Microsoft Fabric workspaces sit on top of one lake and divide the data lake into separate containers that can be secured independently. Workspace roles in Microsoft Fabric extend the Power BI workspace roles by associating new Microsoft Fabric capabilities such as data integration and data exploration with existing workspace roles. You can either assign roles to individual or to security groups or Microsoft groups or distribution lists. To grant access to workspace, assign those user groups or individual to one of the workspace roles such as admin, member, contributor, or viewer. Workspaces are places to collaborate with colleagues to create collections of items such as lakehouses, warehouses, reports, and create task flows. In this video, we are going to discuss about workspaces and how to manage access to these and what settings are available in Microsoft Fabric. Everyone in a user group gets the role that you assign. If someone is in several user groups, they get the highest level of permissions that's provided by the roles that they are assigned. If you nest user groups and assign a role to a group, all the contained users have permissions. In Workspace, admin role has full control. Admin can manage users, he can change the settings, he or she can delete the workspace. So overall, he has full control on the Microsoft Fabric workspaces. Along with that, he also gets the additional capabilities which are update or delete the workspace, add or remove people including other admins, add members others with lower permission, also allow others to reshare item. Along with that, he can also create modified database items, mirroring items, warehouse items, and also he can create the new feature workspace identity. So the admin role has full control on the workspace and its items. The member role in Microsoft Fabric Workspace has all the privileges of admin except few, which are the role cannot update or delete the workspace. The role of the member cannot add or remove people including other members. So it cannot create workspace identity and cannot set up the connection to Git repository. Except these four and remaining all the capabilities of the admin, the member role can be done. Hi, let's talk about contributor role on workspace items. With contributor role, you can create and edit items, but you cannot manage access and you cannot share any items from the workspace. Contributor has all the capabilities same as member except these two. Viewer role is the least privileged role and one can grant access on the workspace items. With this role, you can only get view and read contents of pipelines, notebooks, Spark jobs, definition, ML models, and experiments and event streams. You can also view and read content of KQL databases, KQL query sets, digital twin builder items, and real-time dashboards. Using viewer role, you can also connect to SQL Analytics endpoint of Lakehouse or the warehouse. Using viewer role, that we can also connect to read Lakehouse and data warehouse data shortcut with TSQL TDS endpoint, only read data. So this slide gives the summary which role you need to choose. So I have listed down all the four roles so far what we discussed, which are admin, member, contributor, and viewer. And admin comes with all the access. It has a full control across all the workspace items, and viewer has only least privilege. Based on your organization need and your workspace fabric governance perspective, grant the required access to the workspace items. Workspace roles let you manage who can do what in Microsoft Fabric Workspace. Microsoft Fabric Workspace sit on top of one lake and divide the data lake into separate containers that can be secured independently. So you have to avoid the common mistakes. More teams do this wrong. Most of the time, everyone in the team might have admin access. No viewer role, considering it has limited privileges. Sometimes we may need to wrongly assign the role to the team members. Keep in mind, whenever you are assigning any role, understand the project requirement. Based on the project requirement, what role is required to perform the task? Go with that role. So always try to give the more granular role in terms of workspace item privileges. Okay, so let's follow the principle of least privilege. Give only the access needed. You can either assign roles to individuals or to security groups. Everyone in the user group gets the role that you assign. If someone is in several user group, they get the highest level of permissions that provided by the roles that they have assigned. If you nest user groups and assign a role to a group, all the contained users have permissions. Okay, let's go through the simple chart which gives the best practice setups. From the chart, you can see admin role has been assigned to the team lead who can manages uh, the admin activity across the project, and core developer has been assigned to the member access, dev support team assigned with the contributor access, and business users who are only the consumers of data reports will be assigned with the viewer. So based on your project needs, follow the same principle, provide the least privilege to the required access. Hey Hal, we are at the end of the video. So just wanted to say, don't break your Fabric security. If you want to follow my contents, please like, subscribe, and comment Fabric in this video. So Data to Intelligence would like to bring more videos and Microsoft Fabric. Thanks for watching this video. The team from Data to Intelligence Pro, from Data to Insight.